The 5-set game is over as San Sebastian deals sa Lyceum yet another loss, and our best player of the game is with Maan Panganiban.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. San Sebastian Lady Stags winning over Lyceum Lady Pirates. And with me right now is our Shakey's best player of the game. The stellar performance, of course, of Suzanne Roses. Hello, Sue. Ayan, so kanina nakausap ko si Coach Roger. Sabi niya, pagpasok niya ng dugout, coming into this game, lahat kayo matamlay. And then we have seen the first set, binigay niyo sa Lyceum Lady Pirates. What happened to that exact set?
Kanina, tahimik kami lahat kanina. Tapos masyado kami nag-relax ng first set. Hindi nabigla kami na hindi namin inaasahan na lalaban yung Lyceum ng ganon. So siguro sumobra yung self-confidence namin eh. Masyado kami nag-relax, di kami nag-uusap-usap kanina eh. Kaya nung first set, nahirapan kami sa service nila, lalo na sa service nila.
So there you have it, guys. Alam nyo na kung bakit nakuha ng Lyceum ang first and fourth sets. And because you are the best player of the game, meron ka na namang bag. Nagko-collecta na po siya ng bag. And do you want to greet your friends?
Sa mga fans na San Sebastian, thank you. Sa family ko sa Bulacan, Malalansan, and Roses family, salamat. Kay Ivy, hello.
There we go once again. Suzanne Roses, our Shakey's best player of the game. Back to you guys.
It took 5 sets, but San Sebastian now improves to 2 wins and 1 loss. On behalf of my partner, Noringo, and our interviewer, Maan Panganiban, ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam!
Yes,